All right, everyone, let's dive straight into something that demands our immediate attention. This is not just another news story, this is a call to action. On June 16, 2024, 78 citizens were arrested in Zimbabwe on charges that many are calling politically motivated. These arrests have sent shockwaves through the nation and beyond. Among them, the brave ex-senator Timber, known for his relentless fight for justice. His voice has been a beacon of hope for many, and now he finds himself silenced. Now they're spending their 18th day in detention, and what's more shocking, they've been denied the basic right to bail, a right that should be guaranteed to all. They've all been denied bail. This denial is not just a legal oversight, it's a deliberate act of oppression. This isn't just about 78 individuals. This is a reflection of a systemic issue that affects the entire nation. This is about an entire nation's legal and human rights being trampled upon. When the rights of a few are violated, the rights of all are at risk. The right to bail is enshrined in many legal systems globally, including Zimbabwe's. It's a fundamental aspect of justice that ensures fairness and due process. Yet we're seeing a blatant disregard for this constitutional right. This is not just a legal issue, it's a moral one. Their next hearing is set for July 10th, 2024. But why should these innocent people spend even a single extra day behind bars? Every day in detention is a day of injustice. But why should these innocent people spend even a single extra day behind bars? The emotional and psychological toll is immeasurable. Political charges should never be used as a weapon to silence dissent and free speech. Free speech is the cornerstone of any democratic society. Change Radio stands firm in condemning this unjust detention. We believe in the power of the media to bring about change. We call on the international community to step up and hold the Zimbabwean authorities accountable. Silence is complicity. This isn't just a Zimbabwean issue. This is a global issue, a human rights issue. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. This is a global issue, a human rights issue. We must stand together in solidarity. Imagine spending 18 days in a cell, not knowing when you'll see the daylight again. The uncertainty is a form of psychological torture. Imagine the mental toll, the anxiety, the uncertainty. These are not just numbers, these are human lives. Now multiply that by 78 lives. Each day is a day of lost freedom, lost hope. Ex-Senator Timber and the other detainees are not just statistics, they are individuals with families and futures. They are fathers, mothers, brothers and sisters. They are part of the fabric of our society. They are people with dreams, hopes and rights, rights that should be protected, not violated. We cannot stay silent when human dignity is being stripped away. Silence in the face of injustice is itself an injustice. We cannot turn a blind eye when justice is being denied. Our collective voice can make a difference. The longer we wait, the more we risk these unjust practices becoming normalized. We must act now. I urge you, yes, you listening to this right now, to raise your voice. Your voice matters. Share this video, talk about it, tweet about it. Use every platform available to spread the word. Let's make sure that the world is watching and that the Zimbabwean authorities know they are being scrutinized. Public pressure can lead to change. To the families of those detained, we stand with you. Your pain is our pain. To the 78 innocent lives, we have not forgotten you. Your struggle is our struggle. And to those in power in Zimbabwe, the world is watching and history will judge your actions. Accountability is inevitable. Remember, justice delayed is justice denied. We must act swiftly and decisively, and we will not rest until justice is served. Our commitment to justice is unwavering. Let's keep the pressure on, let's keep the conversation going, and let's ensure that the names of Timber and the 77 others echo in every corner of the world. Their story must be told. Thank you for tuning in. Your engagement is crucial. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and always stand up for what's right. Together we can make a difference.